Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Liberty Tech here, back with another video, and here I have a new printer. I just came back from Black Friday shopping. Didn't want to spend much, but me and my fiance, we do need a new printer, and we decided to get this. We wanted something that was not too big, not too small, and something that would last long on ink. And I did some research on this, and according to this, the ink that comes with this will last for a year, and that's based on 150. If you print 150 pages a month. Now, I'm definitely not going to be printing 150 pages a month, so that could probably stretch for probably two years and a half. So our side business. So when that picks up, we might have to print a little more. But nevertheless, let's get to the unboxing. This is the Brother. The model, it's the Brother Investment tank, and the investment tank means, the ink that allows it to last up to a year or more. So yeah, this is a color inkjet all-in-one. This is model J995DW. They have an XL version. It retails for I think $239. This one was $149, so this was a pretty good deal. So I decided to pick it up. Now, as you can see, let's go on the outside here. You have all the information here. Helps save time for multiple copying and scanning via the 20-sheet automatic document reader. We're gonna go ahead and open this baby. Let's go ahead and get a knife for it. So let's get to the top here. We have our RJ11 phone cord here. Not gonna really use this. I guess it depends if you have an office, a real size office, but we don't even have telephone service in our apartment here. We just use cell phones, so that's not gonna help. Up top we have our individual color ink tanks here. And I need to look up how much these cost, but they're saying that these don't cost too much to refill, so that's a plus. There goes the other two colors there. Let's go ahead and put that off to the side. And let me go ahead and try to take this out here. Here we go. Put that up front. So before I get to the printer here, just kind of heavy, but not too heavy. Let's see what else is in the box here. We have our typical manual on how to set up. Probably won't need this. Most tech guys don't even read manuals. Let's see if there's a CD in here, because most things nowadays, they don't come with a CD anymore. Let's see. Oh, there it is. There it is, guys. CD. I haven't seen a CD installer in such a long time, because basically you'll get it via their website, but I guess Brother's old school like that. And then a couple of other stuff in here. You can have like a delivery service of it tells them when your ink is running low and stuff like that, so it automatically sends you out your ink replacement. So that's pretty cool. And that is it. Nothing else inside the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a closer look at the inkjet printer here after I unwrap this. Okay, so back to the printer here. So as you can see up top, let me go ahead and focus. It says color inkjet all-in-one, Inkvestmen, and let me go ahead and focus again. As you can see, it says 150 sheet capacity, cloud connection, print from your mobile device, and NFC, which is also a plus. So then it says it includes 1 year of ink in the box. So again, here are the the different cartridges, different colors. Pretty big, so I can see why they would last for a good amount of time. So let's go ahead and look into it. So of course you have your traditional scanner here. Let's go ahead and close that down. And where you feed the different paper types here. Going down, you'll see the, I believe this is a 2.3-inch touchscreen. Not too shabby. And then you have your back, home, and of course cancel. Then you have your on button here, and over here it says Brother Genuine ink and toner, and then these are the models that are that you would be able to use in them. And then here it says Inkvestmen tank. So it's pretty cool. You have your SD card slot here if you want to load documents that you previously stored on there, or even photos. You also have your USB there also. It's very nice to have multiple sources on how to get the media onto this printer here. And then you have your tray, your typical tray, and yeah, so this would hold the 150 pieces of paper in there. And of course I'm gonna quickly turn this on to just demo the screen here, so be back in a sec. So as you can see, it is on. It is telling me to install the starter ink, install starter ink for initial setup. So let's see how this baby works here. Oh, and it's pretty cool, you can tilt the screen. Didn't know that. But as you can see, it's going through its process. And I'm guessing you put the inks in there, if you can see. A bit dark in there, but yeah, you put the ink in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and install, and then it's color coordinated right here. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me go ahead and unwrap these here. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and quickly install these. So this is how you would install these. This side up, and you just slide it in there. Boom, there you go. And the next one would be yellow. Go ahead and pop that one in. All right, and blue. Slide that baby in. And magenta. There you go. So I'm gonna just close this up, and let's see, filling reservoir with ink from cartridge. So just go ahead and hit next. Go ahead and focus a little better on there. So it says preparing the ink will take 6 minutes. While preparing the ink, you can proceed with next initial step. Okay, I thought I was gonna bore you guys and wait here for 6 minutes. Okay, so it says year 2018. That is correct. Month is, go ahead and 11. There you go. Day today is the 23rd. Time, let me check my watch. 2:17. And then PM. There you go. Information on Web Connect firmware and apps. Updates can be displayed automatically to connect to the internet. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this might take a while. I'm gonna pause it here and come right back. Okay, so guys, I'm back. Basically, after it did the initial setup with the ink, asked me to print a test page, which I did right here. I'll go ahead and focus on that. So it's basically asking me if there's any missing dots. I did review the paper and there are no missing dots. So yes, go ahead and hit yes. No. No missing dots. Print head nozzle is okay. Print installation instructions now. No, I don't want to risk that. I don't know how much it will be printing out. But yeah, there it goes, guys. Pretty much that's basically it. You have your copy, your fax, which I won't use. By the way, you do have your phone set up here, your networking. And again, I will be using Wi-Fi. So yeah, you have that. And on the second page, you have your photos, web, which is basically things stored in the cloud, and apps. You see apps. The feature requires internet connection. I'll set that up later. Go back. Error, network is not connected, please. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna check that out later. Let me go ahead and show the ink level, ink volume right there. Improve print lines, print head cleaning, and your typical stuff. Shortcuts, Wi-Fi, which again I will set up later. Tray settings, quiet mode. The quiet mode setting can reduce printing noise. When quiet mode is turned on, the print speed becomes, I'm guessing, slower. Yeah, which is acceptable. I mean, this printer is not too loud, but that'd be pretty cool. I've never seen a feature like that on any other printer I've previously owned, so that's a nice touch to that. Then you have maintenance and things like that. Fax preview and all settings. General, print reports, machine info, etc, etc. So thanks for watching my video, guys. Again, this is the Brother Inkvestmen. The model is let me go ahead and get that for you guys. Oh, there it is, the MFC J995DW, and they also have an XL version if you really want to get the most out of it, but for now this is pretty nice printer for me. Yeah, so give this video a thumbs up, guys. Hopefully more videos to come. I know I haven't done videos in a while. This whole wedding thing has kept me preoccupied and stuff. So yeah, again, like the video and leave a comment below. Did you guys pick up a printer for Black Friday? And if you do need a printer, I think this will suit pretty much a lot of people unless you're doing heavy activity. And yeah, peace out, guys.